Hello guys, I just received this whole saw kit on Amazon. It has 13 pieces saw blades in there, very impressive. It came with the box. It's nicely organized. Okay, I have all the pieces here I took out. Here I have a piece of wood I can test on, see how well it does. 13 keys. Okay, I'm going to use this one test, and I'm also have an M18 Milwaukee to test it with. So let me put this thing together and test it out. I bought this just for home project, so it doesn't have to be commercial graded, whatever they want to call it. Oh, yep, my neighbor using his mower right now, so it's a little noisy. Sorry about that. Anyways, okay, so this is what it looks like. Sorry about the noise. Let me drill it and test it out. Very excited about this. So right here you can see this is okay. Good. Oh. Okay. You can see right there. Came out one piece, so it's working great. Well, you need a little push, but that's it. That's all I have for you guys.